I will show you the interface of Edimax. The model of this one is BR6204N. Oh. Open a browser 192.168.2.1. This is the interface. On this area, this is the status. You can check on this tab you can check the internet connection. Click here and click next. You can see IP, subnet, default gateway, and primary and DNS. If this area is filled, your router is connected to the internet. Back to the main menu, home, go to general setup. Under the general setup, you can see a system, wireless. This is where you configure the SSID and the security in this area. We're going to check inside the WAN. You can select what is your internet type. You can ask your internet service provider what is your internet type. This one is dynamic. If you direct your internet connection, just plug it at the back of your computer, no configuration, and run. Automatically you have internet. On this static area, you can input your IP from the internet service provider, IP DNS, then apply it. On this area, if your internet service provider is given you a username, password, you can input your username, password here, and click here, obtain an IP automatically, and then set this as default, and this one continuous, then apply. On this area, in our country, Philippines, we don't have type of connection, this one and this three. I think this Telstra big band is for Australia. Going to check inside, just input the data and click apply. Back to the main page, home, the tools area. On the tools tab, if you want to upgrade the firmware, select this firmware upgrade, then click next, and just browse the file and select it where you download the file. The file should be .bin, then open, then click apply. On this area, if you want to restart your router, just select this, then restart. On this configure, so if you want to back up your data inside the router, select this one, click, then click save if you want to save it, then save the file. Place you want to save your example desktop and save it. If you want to upload that, browse the file, and this is the file, and open, then upload the file. Your configuration will be restored.